It's another video today, and we're going to be reviewing my Lego airplane, and it's pretty fun to play with, so I'm gonna get it. It's on my chair. Here it is. It's a Lego airplane, it's hard to build, and you can take this off. This, take it off, and you can put it back on. And also today, I'm not going to be able to do many videos today because we're having a Packer party. I don't know why. For my dad's party, because it was yesterday. And you can spin these. Everyone probably knows that. And you can open this hatch, Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, and you can take this off. You can take this. You can take anything off, actually. But you can't take off the thing. That was sad. What was that? Oh, yes. I remember what I'm going to do next time. I'm going to do most of my Star Wars Lego sets. All of them, all of them. Even some down there. So, these are pretty cool. You can take off the wheels. Pretty cool to take off the wheels. Never took out a wheel before. So here's the wheels. And here's some music out there. That's my friends. Sometimes my friends are going to be in my videos. Like every time I do a video for Playdate. So, yeah. So this airplane is pretty cool. Come on. So this video is short. I don't have to be done. Bye. Oh gosh. I'm gonna put this back where it was. That's cool actually. It looks like it's actually flying in the air, so bye.